It is August 22nd. We're still at Treasure Island. Almost been in Vegas one whole week. We start a new job Monday. I gotta get to the post office and do some other errands today. And hopefully we can get it all done. We gotta go to the laundromat. All of our clothes are pretty much dirty right now. So we gotta do that, do some running around. But of course you guys are coming with me. I hope you've been enjoying the vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're gonna do a lot of Vegas videos throughout the whole time we're here, which is the rest of my life, hopefully. But anyways, we'll see you guys out there.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna fuck up the recording anymore. That doesn't matter. Nah, it doesn't.
I know something's off because you called me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely. Wanna be there by your side. Not for better things, you know that this was better. Wanna take it back, you know I still remember. I know that you hate when I catch you in a lie. Even more when you know I'm right. You didn't think that I'd be so good, but you didn't think that I'd be doing so good, but you didn't think that I'd be doing so good. Don't give up the best thing you ever had.
Made it over here to the laundry mat. Had to do some laundry. Applied for an apartment, so fingers crossed we get it. Monday we'll know for sure if we got it or not. It was a $45 application fee, $1,070 for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we will see what happens. Fingers crossed we got that. And we're gonna do something fun tonight, Saturday night. We haven't really got to enjoy Vegas that much since we moved here. We've been doing business stuff, and you know I got a job started Monday, so let's go ahead and finish this laundry and head out to where we gotta go.
I'm just on a way fear, no distractions. We should both just keep living on.
Laundry all done. Headed to the post office and get that P.O. box. It's about 1:05 right now. Del Taco. This place is good though. The tacos are huge. They're really good. And then we're gonna head back to Treasure Island and figure out somewhere nice to eat for dinner tonight, and go to Cosmopolitan probably tonight. Made a mess. Plan right now, go downstairs, gamble $20 or $40. Then we need to put a little money in my prepaid card because I think we're gonna take an Uber or Lyft to Cosmopolitan because look how far it is. It's way back there, the middle one, the top tall one. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna end up being able to walk all the way there. That's kind of a walk, guys.
I would listen for hours to all your bitching. Ran myself in the ground trying to fix it. But it wasn't me, girl, it was us. We just don't work, and you realize it first. Thank God. I don't think I wanna reminisce it. I'll be better on my own time, on my own dime, smoke my own kind.
I wanna stay in my lane. I know we had the good thing, but they could never be the same. Oh, oh. I wanna keep the holy meditation. Really do it.
Well, we played a little at Treasure Island. No luck. Down 40 bucks there. So we're actually walking somewhere else to see what we can do somewhere else. We are now at Casino Royale. We were going to go to Harrah's, but we decided to stop here first. Check our luck. We've actually done good on these Buffalo machines over here in the past. So hopefully we can hit something. Mom, tell them how much money we won at Casino Royale. How much did we put in?
100.
We didn't lose the whole 100 though. We lost 40. But still. We used to do good on this game, but I don't know. Not so good today. On blackjack at Harrah's, and that was complete dud. Now we're at the Link. We gotta go to the bathroom, and then we'll see how we can do over here. Oh my god, guys. Remember I was talking about doing the JT Saturday Slot Challenge? Well, we jumped up at the Link on Lightning Link, Tiki, Fire, 250 a spin, 40 spins. Me and JetLife77, one of our channel members, was involved in this. I put 100 in. Third spin, guys. Third spin. We get 6 Tiki Fireballs. 125 was one of them. We end up walking out of here with $384. 142, which is Jet Life's for being a channel member and getting picked out of the hat. Oh my God, I'm overwhelmed with excitement for me and Jet Life. Mom is pumped up. We just lost like $100 today. We end up getting it all back, every penny of it, and $40 profit.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on.
We just ate Pan Asian Express. It was pretty good. I didn't. That was the first time I ever had it. I thought it was all right. Mom, what'd you think of it?
It was alright. I really like the shrimp.
My shrimp was good.
The shrimp it had like
Orange chicken was a little hard, but I don't know. What'd you think of the pork?
it was good too. The vegetables were just so big. They were big chunks and they were hard to eat.
And it was overtaking the pork, huh?
Yeah, I got more vegetables in there than I did meat. So
What about the pork fried rice?
it was really
It was good, yeah.
Yeah, I really liked it.
Yeah, the pork fried rice I thought was pretty darn good, but yeah, we're up for the day. The live stream went really, really well, and I think after this we're gonna head back to Treasure Island. We gotta devise a plan. We did find one place that was a weekly that could take the cat, so possibly do that, because we only have a couple more nights at Treasure Island. I start my new job Monday, so Mom can't just sit in her car the whole time I'm at work and everything. But I have 2 free nights at New York that we can go over there too. So I might use up as much comps as I possibly can and then try to find something permanent. But Monday we're supposed to hear back at an apartment, so fingers crossed we get the apartment. But I don't want to jinx it or keep talking about it or be negative about it or anything, but we will see what happens.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Can't wait till we make it. Fake it. That's the life of JT. He gon' keep it real, what he's thinking. Ay. Can't wait till we make it. Keep it 100, we don't fake it. Ay. This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real, what he's thinking. Ay. Yeah. Keep it 100, keep it 100. Ay. Yeah. Keep it 100, keep it 100. Ay. Yeah. Keep it 100, keep it 100.
Well, that's gonna do it, everybody. That wraps up day 6 in Las Vegas. Crazy day. We had a lot of fun today. Ate some food. Won a little money on JT's first Saturday slot challenge. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all are subscribed if you're new to the channel.
That's the life of JT. He gon' keep it real, what he's thinking. Ay. Can't wait till we make it.